Everyone, welcome back to Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and then in here, you just click on profile at the bottom, and then click on a three lines icon at the top, and click on a setting and privacy, and then in here you can click on manage account, and then click a delete account. Now you can choose the reason why you want to delete your TikTok account. Maybe this one, or this one. And then after this you can click okay. And if you really want delete your account, you can click check icon in here and then click continue. It's a simple. So that's how to delete your TikTok account. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.